So if this is what happens to your shoe, let me show you a cool hack that allows you to still walk out of this mountain range. So you're going to take the lace from the existing shoe. This is a HiTech boot and the soles just come apart while we were walking. So you're going to put the sole back onto the shoe. We've just undone the lace, backing up the lace through the loops again. It's a quick fix so that you can at least have something to walk out with. Put the lace on the undersurface of the shoe in a cross, bring it up to the top, thread through the loop again, back to the bottom of the shoe, and then make a knot over the top. Let's see if this holds out. It's about still a 3-hour walk out. That's a quick and easy hack to walk out. Seems to be holding out. Let's see how long it lasts. Completely ruined.